Now let us consider this equation on the board. Now this could be written as log x raised to the power of 1 over 2 base 2 then equals now log. Now changing this to a base of 5, we have 5 raised to the power of 3 base 5. Now this expression alone can be 3 log 5 base 5, which will give us 3 times 1, because log 5 base 5 equals what? 1, which will give us what? 3. So which means the right hand side of the equation equals to 3. So we have log x raised to the power of 1 over 2 base 2 equals what? 3. Now changing this to indices, now this could give us, will give us x raised to the power of 1 over 2 then equals to 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Okay, and as such, now let us now raise, here you have x raised to the power of 1 over 2 all raised to the power of this is 8. Now here you raise both sides by 2 to eliminate this half. Here you have 8 raised to the power of 2. This will eliminate this, so at the end of the day you have x raised to the power of 8 raised to the power of 2 will give us what? Times 8, which is give us 64. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.